I'll start.
No.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. Can you all see the presentation?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Today we are going to study about what? Computer software. Last class, where did you stop? I don't know whether you all stopped. Where Tanya we stopped the last class? Which one you studied at last? Anyone can you tell? Did you all study computer software? Say yes or no. Okay, then I'll start from the beginning. I don't know whether Satanya is stopped. Okay, today we are going to study about computer software. Okay, first see what is software. Computer instruction or data, anything that can be stored electronically is software. Here they are saying is computer instructions or data. Data or instruction means data or information. Anything that can be stored, anything, whatever we can save electronically by using electronically is called what? Software. Another definition for software we can't touch but we can see. Physically we can't touch but we can see. That's called what? Software. Like that, hardware we can touch and we can see. Opposite to the hardware, software means we can't physically touch but we can see. These two are definition of software. Here there are some examples of software: MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, spreadsheet, library management system, etc. Did you all know the MS Word? Did you all know MS Word?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then PowerPoint, Excel, these kind of things. Okay. These all are MS Office application softwares. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. Rest of these, many softwares are available in computer system, isn't it? Okay. Are you all finished writing? Can you all write this one? Put a heading, computer software. It's writing time. Can you all put the heading, computer software? Are you all listening me?
Yes, teacher.
Why are you all keep quiet? I want to speak. You all want to speak, huh? At least say yes or no. Yeah, computer software. Put a heading, computer software.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, next, write this one, software. This is the definition of software and examples of software. Write this one also. Tell me after finish writing.
Okay, teacher. You can hear. Yes. Devin. Devin.
Are you all finished writing?
Finish, teacher.
Everyone finished?
No.
Shall I move to the next slide? Are you all writing or shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, teacher. Finish writing, teacher.
Still writing?
Finish writing, teacher.
Finish writing. Okay. Then I will move to next slide. I will finish. I hope everyone finished. Next, types of software. Basically, there's the main two types of software. What are those softwares? System software and the application software. System software means that operating systems, which is Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows XP. These are called what? System software. Inside the Windows 7, we have Office like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Paint, Notepad, WordPad. This kind of what? Application software. Application software means inside the operating system we have some small softwares. These are called application software. Listen, can you all hear my voice?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay, there are main two types of software. I clear about these two of softwares.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then can you all write this one? Types of software, and there are two types of software. Write this one. No need to draw. No need to draw. Just write these things only.
I can't hear you. Finish, teacher.
Okay. I hope everyone finished. I'm going to move to the next slide. System software. First one is what? System. So there are two types of software. No, first one is system software. Now we are going to study about system software. System software consists of the operating system and all the utilities that enable the computer to function. System software consists what are the two things? Main two things? Operating system, which is Windows XP, Windows 7, this kind of things, and the utilities. Utilities means that backup options, some different softwares enable the computer to function. Computer to function means computer to work. These two main softwares help computer to work. Next, system software actually controls the hardware so that application software can perform any action or task. Actually, the system software controls what?
The hardware.
Yeah, hardware. The system software is actually control the hardware so that so that the application software can perform any task and the performance. It can perform what? Any task and actions by using the hardware control. Isn't it? Here. Okay, the examples of system software: operating systems, compiler, loader, linker, and the interpreter, and etc. These all are examples of system software. No need to remember everything. Just remember operating system and the utilities. Okay. Okay. Write this one also.
கம்ப்யூட்டர் மனுஷ குழம்பு உங்களுக்கு பார்க்கறோம் கம்ப்யூட்டர் தெரியும் லைட் பண்ணி இது டிரெக்டா கொடுத்தாங்க என்ன தம்பி டிரெக்டா இது யூபிஎஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க கரண்ட் கட்டில री डबल करना
I will finish writing.
Wait, 15 minutes.
बहुत बात இந்த வைஃபை இருக்குன்னா அது ஏர்டெல்ல இல்ல கனெக்ட் ஆகணும்னு நல்லா இருக்கு
Finish, teacher.
Finished. Everyone finished. If anyone still writing?
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Good. Very good. We'll see the next one. Types of system software. There are types of system softwares. This one is examples of system software. This one is types of system software. Operating system. First one is operating system, utilities, device drivers, language translator. These four are main types of system software. I will teach you what are those later on. First, write these four types of system software. Write this one.
Right.
Yeah, write this one.
Right and finish. Right and finish, teacher.
Finished. Okay. Then I'll move to the next slide. Hope everyone finished. Okay, right. I'll be there.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Next. Now system software is okay. Next, I told you there are two main types of software. What are those types of software?
System software and application software.
Application software. We did the system software. Now we'll see the application software. Application software includes programs that do real work for users. Application software includes programs. Programs means that Word, Excel, PowerPoint that do real work for users. If we take Windows 7, we can't work. But if we take MS Office Word, we can work. No. In MS Office Word, we can work. We can type a document, we can edit, and we can save. We can send the document through the email or WhatsApp. We can do many things. So that's why the application software are programs that do real work for users. For users, it will be very helpful. Examples: payroll systems, inventory control, management, student dashboard, word processor, spreadsheet, and database management system. Okay. What is word processing software? I'm asking question. What is word processing software? Huh? Anyone can tell. What is word processing software? Note down this one. Word processing software is MS Office Word, WordPad, and Notepad. Note down this one. I'm telling. Word processing software is Word, MS Office Word, WordPad, and Notepad. Are you writing?
Wait, it's what, teacher?
Yeah, if I'm telling something, you want to write in your writing book. First one is put word processing software. First put the heading word processing software. List down the things. MS Office Word. Next one is Notepad. Next one is WordPad and etc. Okay. Next, put the heading spreadsheet software. Next, put the heading spreadsheet software. After that, write MS Office Excel. Write MS Office Excel. Are you writing? Are you all understood?
Yes, teacher. What is
Okay.
the example of the
Spreadsheet software, MS Office Excel.
Yes, teacher.
Next, presentation software. Next, put the heading presentation software. That is MS Office PowerPoint. And finally, database software. Finally, is database software. That is MS Office Access. Are you finished? Everyone finished writing?
Teacher, what is the example of database software?
MS Office Access.
Excel, sir, teacher.
Access, yeah. Okay, are you finished?
Teacher.
Okay, write this one. Put the heading application software and write this one. No need to write the example. Yes. Want to write example also. Put a heading application software and write these things.
Nangakam. Come. Jojo. Why? இதுல வெப்கம்ல போகுதா இது You can't, you are not going to study. Then come to happy work. Okay? What's the next day? You are not going to study? Huh? Okay, you tell that. You don't go and sit in study. You sit down. Yeah. See. And you can see people. Mhm.
I will finish writing.
Teacher.
Okay, then shall I move to the next slide? We'll move to the next slide. This is application software. We study about what after the slides. Categories of application software, types of application software, and the forms of application software. We'll see what are those things. First, categories of application software. We can categorize the application software as following here. First one is business software, graphics and multimedia, home, personal or education. Next one is communication. Business software means we use these software such as for a business. Next, graphic and multimedia means we can edit by using this kind of software. Next, personal home education means how we are going to use for our personal home and education by using this some kind of software. Next, communication means the software which is helps to communicate with each others. These are the categories of application software. Can you all list down the categories of application software? Can you write this one?
Business software. Yes. Yes, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Finished. Okay. Next one is, are you, if anyone writing,
Yes, teacher.
if anyone still writing, okay, write. Finished.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Types of application software. First we saw what categories of application software. Next is types of application software. These are main. There are many types of softwares here. First one is proprietary, in-house, contract, off-the-shelf, customized package. These are the types of application software. No need this one, but you can write. Try this one. No need to remember. It won't come in your exams.
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Others? If anyone writing?
Finish, teacher.
Okay. Everyone finished. Okay. Next, forms of application software. These are forms of application software. First one is packaged software. Can you all see that one? Packaged software. Okay. So mistake of editing. First one is packaged software, custom software, web application, open source, shareware, freeware, public domain software. These are the form of application software. This one also no need to study, just study for knowledge. It won't come in your exams, but if you all study, just good better. Okay, write this one also. If anyone have doubts, ask me. I'll tell. Finished. Everyone finished?
Wait, teacher, last one. Finish, teacher.
Finished. Okay, next application software. Actually, the application software consists of programs that are designed to make users more comfortable. More comfortable means more easy or productive. Productive means make our work easy and make task as soon. Productive to assist personal task. Personal task means if you create a presentation for your school final presentation, it's your personal work, right? It's not your group work, it's your personal work. So this application software helps you to personal task, complete the personal task also. Are you clear?
Yeah. No.
It's are you clear? Want to explain again?
Yes, teacher.
Clear. Okay, next, the application software is present on computer hard disk. The application software is present on where?
In the hard disk.
Yeah, in computer hard disk only it will be present. Present means it will be work. Next, application software can also be stored on CDs, DVDs, and flash or keychain storage device. CDs, DVDs, flash, keychain, which device? Which kind of device? Input, output, processing, or storage device?
Storage device.
Storage device. Yeah, the CDs, DVDs, those kind of things are storage device. So application software can also be stored. It can be stored. It can also be stored on CDs, DVDs, flash, that kind of storage devices. Clear?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Why are you speak very slowly? Who is speaking that? Okay, this one is finished. No, write this one. Application software. Are you all clear about this one, this slide?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who is speaking now? May I know your name? Who is speaking now? Student, who will speak now? Okay. Try this one. Okay, wait 1 minute. Don't write. Stop writing.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Are you all okay with this class?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Why are you all silent then? Just want to speak now. That's what. Only I am asking question. You. No one speak.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Be quiet. If I am asking question, everyone want to speak. Huh?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Everyone. Say everyone yes. Okay or else yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Good.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Like that, everyone wants to speak. If I am asking question, if you don't know the answer, just say I don't know, miss. Sit enough. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
We'll again move to the slide. I will finish writing this one.
Wait, teacher.
Okay, right.
Wait, teacher. Finish, teacher.
Finished. Next, types of application software. I told no, these are the types of software. We'll study these all software in depth now. Okay. The first, property. Property software is a licensed software and the exclusive legal right of owner. It is the legal. The software is under exclusive legal rights under the owner. This software, owners only can have this software, others can't have these softwares. Owners only can have according to the legal rights. This software we can't use. If we have legal rights to use this software, then we have. If we want to have the legal rights, we can't use this software. Next, in-house. In-house software, we develop applications with the help of company resources. This in-house means we develop the application with the help of company resources. If we have business, we have our own company. No, with the company resources, we can develop the in-house software. Like that, off the shelf. Off the shelf means an existing software program that can be used without any changes expected. The existing software means old software. Previously we used software we can use without any changes in previous time, isn't it? Okay, next, contract. The software which is developed for a specific company for their requirements. For the specific contract means specific company, they can change the software for their requirements. If you do a business, you can have the contract to make the softwares as your requirement. Clear? These are the main 4 types of softwares. Are you clear about these softwares? Types of softwares? Huh? Okay. Yeah, write this one also. Am I too fast?
No, teacher.
Okay. If I am fast, tell me. I will slowly continue the class.
Finish, teacher.
Finished. Everyone finished writing?
No, teacher. Yes.
Okay.
Note teacher.
Okay. Then I'll move to the next slide. Huh? Wait. Give 1 minute.
Teacher, can you have the previous one?
Okay. Here, forms of application software. Sorry, it's some sound. Next, forms of application software. There are one form. First one is package software, a software which is sold in a bundle due to similar function of programs. Package software means a software is sold as bundle. Bundle means lots, bulk, due to the similar function of programs. Similar function of programs means similar. If we take the word processing software, we can type in MS Office Word, we can type. WordPad, we can type. Notepad, we can type. Like that, similar features. These are what? Similar functions. Like that, a software which is sold in a bulk because of the similar features of the software. This is what we call package software. Here, example of package software: a Microsoft Office, Windows CD. Microsoft Office means Microsoft Office and Windows CDs are the package software. Similar kind of features are available in this software. Clear? Are you clear?
Teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
write this one.
Teacher.
Okay, good.
Yes, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Okay. Everyone finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next. First one is what? Package software, and the other one is custom software. This is a software which is specially made for an organization as per their requirements. Custom software means this software is made for the special requirements of separate organization. Organization means separate business companies. I think there are more than 10 students are here, that in future you all have 10 separate companies. Okay, for that you all have 10 separate softwares. These are what we call custom softwares. Clear? Custom software means you can make the software which your requirements. Clear? Okay, first one is what? In HR, if you take a company, did you all know the HR, human resources? Okay, if you in future, if you have work or else if you have an organization, human resources is must needed staff, because he only use the custom software as per the requirements of the separate companies. Here, the example of custom software, attendance system. Nowadays, many companies are use this software. If you enter into the office, you should keep your finger in the fingerprint machine, and out time also you want to keep. That's what only they can analyze your in and out times. Like that. Second one is security code system. In big companies, everyone has separate security code. Clear? Are you clear about custom software? Sorry?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, write this one. Finish writing. Others, are you all finished writing? Okay, right. Don't write until I will finish. Huh? After I am finishing only, you should write.
Mama, mute
Teacher, security code system are same.
Sorry?
Teacher, for the example, the security code system. The
Yeah,
second
these
one.
two. Attendance system and the security code system. Security code system also same as the attendance system. In big company, all staffs have the security code systems because they are separate security code. If they enter the security code, then only they can go inside the company. Like that, it's same as the attendance system. You can edit as your company requirements.
Teacher,
Yeah.
school is going to finish.
Sorry.
Finish, teacher.
Sorry, I can't hear.
School is finished.
Finish, teacher.
Darling, can you speak loudly?
School is going to finish.
Which school?
Class is
No. I will tell whether the class is finished. We have some more slides to study. It's what time? Your class is 2:30. No, until 2. I want to take your class until 2:30. At what time Tanya must finish your class? How long it will be take? 1 hour or 1.5 hour? 1 hour or 1.5 hour?
1.5 hour.
1.5 hour. No, then 2:30 or 2:15, 2:20. I will finish the class. Huh? Okay. Now its time is 1:50. Right. Okay. In the 40 minutes more to finish a class. We'll see. After the slides completion, I will finish the class soon as possible. Next, web application. This is what? Third form of applications. Web application. Web application is any application that uses a web browsers. Google Docs, Dropbox. These two are web application means we can work this software by using the which one is Wi-Fi, internet. Web browsers like Google Docs. These are called web applications. Examples of web application is Google Docs and the Dropbox. These two are the example of web application. We can use the web application by using Wi-Fi or internet. We can work inside the Google also. Clear?
yes.
Okay, write this one.
Finish, teacher.
Finish. Others?
Finish, teacher.
Okay. This is a web application. Like that. Next. Open source software. Open source software is made available to everyone and can be changed. Open source softwares we also can change as our requirement, modify and distribute to public without any notifications. It's a public software. Open source means it's a public software made available to everyone. It will be we can means everyone can be changed and modify and distribute to public without any notification. This kind of software we can edit without any notifications. Examples of open source softwares: Linux, Moodles, WordPress, Drupal. These all are open source software. We all can have access and we can do anything inside these softwares. Okay. Clear? So open source software. In name, we can understand open source software means without any notification, we can do edits or modify we can. Clear? Okay, write this one. I'll finish writing.
Yes. No.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Everyone finished?
Teacher.
Next, freeware. Freeware means freeware is the software that is freely available to public, but author has copyrights, means that you can only use it, not sell. Means this is a software. We want to buy this one. We want to buy the right person. Right person means author means he published the software, but he will provide this software for others also to use us. But we can't sell another one to this software. It's free, but we want to buy from the author. Author means who published this software first time. But we can't sell this software without her permission. Example of freeware is antivirus. For example, if you buy antivirus for your computer guard, you can use, but you can't sell this software for others. Clear?
Water light.
Yeah. I will understand this everything.
Yes, teacher.
Is it true?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher, can we put the all kinds of virus inside the lab?
Yeah, not virus, it's an antivirus. Virus, if you put a virus, your computers won't work. If you put an antivirus only, you can put antivirus. There are many kind of antivirus. You can add everything.
Teacher, we can put coronavirus.
If you want to put coronavirus inside your computer, who asked that? Who asked that good question?
I am teacher Joshua Dinoit.
Oh, you can insert the coronavirus. After that, your computer also want to put in a hospitals. IDH. The software antivirus means it's a virus guard. This will be protect your computer from the virus.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Finish.
Teacher.
Sorry? Want to wait?
No.
Okay. Everyone finished? Okay, next. Finally, shareware. Shavia is actually delivered free of charge, but sometimes the owner asks for money to get registered so that they can send updates in future. It can be copied but cannot be sold. This also kind of a virus software. Actually, we want to, it's a free. It also free charge, but sometimes the owner will ask money from us, because if in future if there's any changes, they will give you the special updated version without no money, no charges. So that's it only. First payment sometimes the owners will ask. In future we can copy this one, but we can't sold. But in freeware we can't copy it and we can't sold. But here we can copy it but we can't sold. This is the difference between shareware and the freeware. Examples: Dino numbers. Next, Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office also same as first year. If you install the Microsoft Office as the first time, we want to buy, we want to buy the package. After that, if any updates are available, they will send the notification. Without any payments, we can install those updates. But we can't install the Microsoft Office package one computer to another computer, isn't it? We can copy and reuse it, but we can't use one computer to another computer. Clear? Clear? Are you all clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, write this one. Sorry.
Finish, teacher.
Everyone finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, then I'll move to the next slide. Next one is public domain software. Public domain software is totally free and it is not copyrighted. Plus, it have no restrictions. It have no copyrights and no restrictions. We can use this domain at free. Example of public domain softwares: SQLite, Blast, I2P. These are public domain software. We won't pay, and we don't have copyrights to install the another computers. Okay, it's totally free. Have no copyrights. No one have copyrights to this software. Public domain softwares. Write this one.
Finish, teacher.
Finished. Everyone finished.
No, teacher. Wait, teacher, please.
Okay.
No, teacher. Wait.
Okay. Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Finished. Next. Wait.
Finish, teacher.
Wait. Next, system software. In system software, programs are designed to operate, control, and enhance the processing capabilities of the computer. In the system software, programs are designed to operate, control, and enhance the processing capacities of the computer. It will be programs by what? It will be programs by processing capabilities of the computer. Why it will be progressed? Processing the capabilities of the computer. The system software's main enhance is processing the capabilities of computer software. System software is developed by computer manufacturer in low-level language. Low-level language means low-level language everyone can understand. It also helps hardware components to work together and provide support for the development and execution of the application software. Programs which are included in system software package are known as system programs, and the programmers who develop those programs are known as system programmer. System program means the software which have the programs, and the system programmer means who develop the programs inside the software. Clear? Clear, everyone? This is the this is a summary of. No need to write. No need to write. No need to write this one. This information only. Types of system software. First one is operating system. An operating system is software which manage computer hardware and software resources. It also provides common services to computer programs. Can anyone tell me the one example of operating system? Huh? Yeah, anyone can tell. One of the example of operating system.
Windows.
Yeah,
Linux.
Windows, Linux. Good.
Mac.
Here you
Mac
can
Box.
see. Yeah, that's a pictures. These all are examples of operating system. The operating system is an essential component of the system software in computer system, which is the essential components of the system software. Operating system is the essential components of the system software. Application programs depends on operating system to functions. These application programs depends on operating systems to function. There are different operating systems, so it will depend on the different functions. Clear? Okay. Put a heading, types of system software and operating system. Write the first paragraph only, first point only. Okay? No need to write entire paragraph. Just write the first paragraph only.
Teacher want to write.
Yeah, want to write. Yeah, won't write. No need 2 points. Just write the first point only. Put a heading and write the first point only.
Teacher finish.
Finish. Wait. Others writing.
Teacher, can I see the types of system software?
Sorry, it was changed. Types of system software, no? Here, this one. Sorry. You asking that we studied now.
Yes, teacher.
Here, this one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher, class is finished.
Yeah, finished. No, not finished yet. Another 15 minutes, I will be finished the class.
Finish,
this one.
teacher.
Some 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 slides more to study. After that, I will be finished. Next, utilities. Utilities software is system software which is manufactured to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. Utilities are utility special feature is which is help analyze, configure, optimize, or to maintain a computer. Utilities are help computers to maintain. It also help in maintenance and the problem solving of a computer. This is a software which is solve problems in the computer. So called what? Utilities. Clear? Add these notes also.
ඒක තමයි මේ මොකටද
Finished?
No, teacher.
Okay, right. Finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Next, common types of utility programs. Hardware utilities, virus detection and recovery utilities, file compression utilities, spam and pop-up blocker utilities, backup and uninstall. By using these all utilities, we can avoid the problems which will make our computers. Clear? By using these software utilities, we can avoid the problems of our computer. Clear?
Yes.
Put a heading and write these common types of utility programs.
Finish, teacher.
Finish writing?
Yeah.
Others won't finish, no? Wait until others finished.
You tell time I am right on there.
Don't do that. Okay, same time don't write and listen. After listening only you want to write.
Teacher finish.
Otherwise you can't understand. Okay. I hope everyone finished.
Teacher.
Okay. Next, device drivers. Device drivers is actually a communication device between device and the computer. This device driver is a communication software which is connected the device and the computer. It loads every time in memory. In memory means it will be loaded any time in the memory. When a new device is added, the driver should be installed in order to run the program. For example, if you fix a new mouse in your system unit, you can show a dialog box in a screen monitor. Your device is installing. Anyone saw it before? If you plug the new mouse inside your computer into your system unit, automatically in your screen you can see your system driver is installing. Like that, the device drivers are working. If you enter new things, it will be installed in order to run the programs. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Put a heading device drivers and write the first and third point only. No need to write second point. Sorry.
Finish writing. Teacher finish writing.
Okay. Others? Everyone finished?
Teacher finish, teacher.
1 minute.
Okay. I hope everyone finished. Okay. So final slide. Features of system software. There are many features available in system software. We'll see one by one. Close to system. Close to system means the system softwares are very close to our system. Fast in speed. It will be work very fast. The system softwares are work very fast. Difficult to design. We face many problems when designer this software. So that's why difficult to design. Difficult to understand. Sometimes we can't understand the system software. So it's also difficult. Less interactive. Smaller in size. Very smaller in size. Difficult to manipulate. We won't face difficulties to manipulate. Generally written in low-level language. Low-level language, sometimes we can't understand the low-level language. Generally written in low-level language only. The system softwares. These are the features of system software. List down the features. Right. Write this.
Teacher, we have to write this.
Yeah,
Yes, teacher.
I told no.
Finish, teacher.